You can't build muscle on a vegan diet? I hear that a lot as a vegan, and there are a lot of lies and misconceptions about protein, so here we go. I'm sure that most of you at one point or another have heard that plant protein is inferior for muscle building to animal protein, but turns out the exact opposite is true. It's a little known fact that animal protein can cause oxidative stress, inflammation, bodily acidity, it can reduce athletic performance, and it can even inhibit our ability to build muscle. If we want to increase our workout recovery, we want to keep our bodies in an alkaline state and reduce oxidative stress and inflammation as much as possible. So how does meat cause these stresses and acidity? Meat and animal products happen to have high microbial loads which release bacterial endotoxins. These bacterial endotoxins are responsible for causing inflammation, and unfortunately no amount of cooking gets rid of them. The bacteria that secrete these endotoxins can be completely dead and destroyed, but their endotoxins will still stick around. Plant foods, on the other hand, don't have these huge microbial loads, and they have many anti-inflammatory properties, making them much more ideal for workout recovery and health in general. Meat and animal products are also, of course, high in cholesterol, and cholesterol itself can cause oxidative stress and inflammation. This inflammation can also paralyze our arteries and cut their ability to dilate in half just hours eating a fatty meal. Even our lungs are affected by this inflammation. Everyone benefits from good blood flow and low inflammation, but this inflammation effect is especially harmful for long-distance runners, cyclists, and fighters, or anyone in any kind of endurance sport. Meat is also high in sulfur-containing amino acids, including methionine, which both increases inflammation and bodily acidity. These amino acids have been shown to promote cancer, diabetes, and heart disease risk, but that's for another video. The highest dietary source of sulfur-containing amino acids, including methionine, are of course found in animal products, with fish being the highest, and red meat, poultry, and dairy following the lead. And if that wasn't bad enough, these sulfur-containing amino acids raise our body's acid loads, which we have to buffer with alkaline minerals including calcium, which is leached out of our muscles. This has been demonstrated to reduce muscle mass in older adults, but in young athletes this can definitely reduce muscle growth and inhibit workout recovery. The good news though is high potassium fruits and vegetables promote muscle mass, which is kind of weird to think because fruits and vegetables aren't usually associated with their muscle building ability. How can meat be so harmful to our muscle growth and workout recovery if all these huge strongmen and bodybuilders can grow so much muscle? And if a vegan diet helped our athletic performance and muscle growth so much, then how come there aren't so many vegan athletes? First off, most athletes don't have much nutritional knowledge at all, and it wouldn't be bold to say that they have about as much nutritional knowledge as your average person. Most of them just get by following conventional wisdom, and their hard work, genetics, and steroid use are what allow them to achieve such incredible feats of strength and athleticism. Just because your favorite athlete eats a certain way, it doesn't mean it actually helped them achieve their goals. It just means they achieved those goals in spite of their bad diet. We also don't see many vegans just because there simply aren't that many vegans and there aren't that many athletes. You just aren't going to see much overlap between two very small populations. Despite this though, there are quite a few vegans who are professional athletes and who are even champions and world record holders in their sports. Patrick Baboumian is a vegan strongman who holds the world record for the yoke lift, and he also holds the world record for the keg lift in the 105 kilogram division. There are also quite a few vegan bodybuilders with very impressive physiques like Derek Treesize and a personal friend of mine, Richard Campbell. There are also vegans outside of strength and physique sports like Timothy Bradley, the welterweight boxing champion who until recently has gone undefeated. And I know you've been waiting for this. What has 3.5 years of a vegan diet without any animal protein done to my muscle mass? Switching to a vegan diet without any doubt has helped me become bigger, stronger, leaner, and has just improved my health in every aspect. So, I hope that information was helpful to some of you. I know it goes against a lot of conventional wisdom, but keep an open mind. Check out the research I linked in the description. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And hopefully all of you start making some vegan gains. Until next time.
What a relief! When will this poisonous product cease? This is another public service announcement. You can believe it or you can doubt it. Let us begin now with the cow. The way it gets to your plate and how.